I couldn't be more proud or excited to introduce you to HepatoBurn, the world's first and only 100% safe and natural solution scientifically proven to purify your body and ignite fat burning and metabolism to deliver unparalleled, life-changing results. There's never been anything even close to HepatoBurn ever attempted. As myself, my team, my entire family, and tens of thousands of everyday women and men can attest, electrifying your metabolism, torching off fat from your problem areas, cleansing and detoxifying your body, enjoying incredible all-day energy, sleeping like a baby, curbing hunger, and renewing your health and cognitive function could not be any simpler, easier, or more automatic. Only HepatoBurn allows you to know what it feels like to have your body's fat-burning furnace working in overdrive for you instead of against you. To be automatically burning up to 7 times more fat and calories than ever before. An unbelievable position to be in, just like the genetically luckiest among us. And like them, you'll be able to eat whatever you want, when you want, totally guilt-free, without ever having to worry about your weight again. Instead, you can look forward to getting leaner and healthier each and every day. HepatoBurn is 100% all-natural, vegetarian, gluten-free, non-GMO, and has no added fillers, preservatives, artificial colors, or stimulants of any kind. And it is proven to be 100% completely safe with 0 side effects. HepatoBurn is manufactured right here in the USA in our state-of-the-art FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practices certified facility under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards. Plus, we also pay to have every single batch tested by third-party labs to ensure the formula in every bottle meets our industry-leading standards for the highest quality, purity, and potency available. HepatoBurn has already changed the lives of more than 200,000 women and men around the world. Our target is to make that 1 million, and we want you to be our next success story. And the more affordable we make HepatoBurn, the more likely we'll reach that goal, which is why we flat out refuse to charge $700, $600, or even $500. You're here putting your trust in us, wanting the absolute best for yourself by saying yes. I'm ready for the change HepatoBurn can bring into my life. So even though we'll charge $199 for a bottle of HepatoBurn soon, you won't have to pay that either. I'm going to make your decision as easy as it is to lose fat with HepatoBurn. So, for a limited time only, you can get HepatoBurn for just $79 per bottle. Yes, just $79 per bottle.